Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a TikTok ad account if you're currently not in the US or in the UK, because TikTok ad account is actually limited to few countries, and if your country is not among the default country that can create a TikTok ad account, the best way at which you can create it is to follow me through in this video. So for us to be able to do this, the first thing you need to do now is to set up a VPN on your system. So the VPN I'm currently using is ExpressVPN, and this is one of the best VPN I've used so far. So I'm also going to add a link to ExpressVPN at the description of the video, so you can just go there to set up an account for yourself with ExpressVPN and use it to mark your location when you're trying to create your TikTok ad account. So after you've set up your ExpressVPN, the next thing I want you to do is go to the description of the video. I'm also going to add a link at the description of the video to TikTok for Business. So when you click on the link addition of the video, is going to open up this TikTok for Business page where you can actually create your TikTok ad account. So once you click on the link and once your ExpressVPN is set up, you'll be able to open this page. So once the page is open, what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on Get Started here. So when you click on Get Started here, it's going to prompt you to choose an industry, then enter your business name, then your mobile phone number, which is going to be a US phone number. So what you want to do here is come over here, then select your industry. So I'm just going to choose e-commerce, and I'm going to scroll down, then choose health and personal care here. So here I'm going to enter my business name. So here I'm just going to put Dropshipping also here. So after that, what you want to do is you want to enter your mobile phone number here. So let me quickly copy my US phone number here. So I just copied my phone number, so I'm going to paste it here. So this is my US phone number. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, then tick this box that says, by clicking here you agree to TikTok commercial terms of service. So I'm going to tick this. Then after that, I'm going to come over here, then click on Get Started. So after that, what you want to do is you want to scroll down, then click on Accept. So I've just clicked on Accept. So the next thing you want to do is come over here, then set up your billing information. So what you want to do is you want to scroll through the drop down menu here, then select a state. So here I'm going to select Wyoming so we can proceed. So after that, what you want to do is click on Go to Ads Manager. So as you can see, we've just successfully created our TikTok ad account. So as you can see, we have basic and we have advanced here. So if you're a beginner and you really don't know much about TikTok ad creation, so I'll suggest you go with basic. But if you want more advanced features when you're trying to create a TikTok ad account, you should always go for advanced. So when you click on advanced, it's going to bring out the TikTok ad objective. So what you want to do here is click on Got It, so you can just go through the kind of ads you want to create. So currently they have reach. So if you're trying to run a reach advert, so this is where you can do it. So they have traffic, they have video views, community interaction, app promotion, lead generation, website conversion, and product sale. So whichever of the one you're trying to create here, if it's going to be traffic or if it's going to be website conversion, which is usually what we do for dropshipping, so just select it, and after that go through what you want to do. But you still need to connect your TikTok ad account to your Shopify store before you are able to do any of this, install your pixel and the likes. So before you be able to use this, now the next thing you need to do is come over here. You can actually click on your dashboard here. So when you click on your dashboard, click on Exit, so you can go to your dashboard, then see what you have to do before you start using your TikTok ad account. So from your dashboard, this is where you'll be able to manage your TikTok ad account. So here, this is where you had your billing info. So this is where you set up your payment, and this is where you create your first ad. So to set up payment, all you simply need to do is add balance. So to add balance, all you simply need to do here is click on add balance. And if you want to manage the payment method, just click on this plus icon here. It's going to bring out the payment method that you can use. So currently they have credit and debit card, PayPal, and Venmo. So whichever of these you're going to be using, but I would suggest you go for a credit and a debit card, which is actually a physical card. All right. So this is going to limit the chances of they blocking your account. So once you chose the one you want to do, all you need to do is click on submit here. So once that is done, the next thing I want you to do is come over here, then click on this business center. So business center is where you're actually going to be linking your business center to your ads manager. So this is going to be like an overall control room of your TikTok ad account. So here what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on I'm an advertiser. And if you're an agency, you can just select I'm an agency, but most people usually go for advertiser. So what you want to do here is you want to select your country, which is the United States. So here I'm going to select United States. So your company name is going to go here, your industry goes here, your time zone and the currency. So once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is click on create. So let me quickly enter my company name here so we can proceed. So yeah, I'm going to select the industry, so which is e-commerce. Then I'm going to scroll down, then choose health and personal care. So after that, I'm going to scroll down, then I'm going to click on create. So after that, the next thing you want to do here is you want to choose between how you like to pay. So they currently have automatic payment and manual payment. So automatic payment is more like pay as you go, whereby manual payment is where you have to top up your account. So when you want to add, after that, then they charge you based on the ads you've run. But I'll suggest you stick with the automatic payment. Okay, so after that, what you want to do is you want to enter your billing address here. So after that, you want to enter your contact name, your contact email, and your US phone number. So here I'm going to select my state. So it's going to be Wyoming. So this is Wyoming. So I'm going to enter my street address. So let me quickly copy my street address here. So after that, I'm going to click on the zip code. After that, I'm going to enter my contact name, then my contact email, and my US phone number. So I've just entered my contact info. So the next thing I'm going to do here is click on submit so we can proceed. So as you can see, the TikTok ad account has been fully created. So this is the TikTok business center. So here, this is where you can manage everything that has to do with TikTok ads. So what you want to do here is you just want to go over every other thing that you are yet to create. So this is where you're going to be able to manage your TikTok users, members, your asset, your pixel, and every other thing. All right. So this is basically how you can set up your TikTok ad account if you are currently not in the US, or if your country is not among the available default country on TikTok ads. All right. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.